I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by doing the essential, concrete work. Sign up for Google Workspace and create the admin account you will use every day. Once done, add your domain inside the admin console and follow the verification prompt. You will add a TXT record at your registrar. Make sure you can edit DNS records. This is non-negotiable. After the TXT propagates, confirm verification in Workspace and proceed immediately to DNS configuration for mail. Next, configure how mail moves. You must replace current MX records with Google's MX entries so Gmail receives mail for your domain. Update priorities exactly. Then publish an SBF record that includes SBF, Google, .com, and any other senders to prevent spoofing. Once SBF is live, generate a DKIM key in the admin console, add the DNS TXT for DKIM, and enable signing. This improves deliverability. Finally, create a DMARC record. Start with quarantine or none, monitor, then tights. Finish by testing thoroughly. Send and receive messages to and from external accounts, then inspect headers to confirm SBF and DKIM pass. Configure desktop and mobile clients using OAuth or app passwords, and enforce 2FA for the admin and users. Migrate existing mail if needed, then monitor for delivery errors. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck DNS, MX, TXT for SBF and DKIM, and allow DNS TTL to propagate. Fixing DNS entries usually resolves 90% of problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.